Welcome to this important video. In this video, we are going to perform some important files operation and discuss that what are main important Python files operation. This is also known as Python file handling, in which we can create different important file operation, and this is the way to handle the files uh, in different forms. So as far as Python file operation is concerned, there are some important file operations. First, in file operation, we can open a file, we can perform different operation like we can read or write a file, we can even close the file using Python code. In Python code, we perform different operations, and these are to open the file, to read and write the file, to close the file. Here are some common modes of Python files operation that have been discussed. First common operation is R, which shows how can we open a file for reading, and W stands for another mode which shows that how to open a file for writing. In this case, it will create a new file if it does not exist, or if the previous file exists, then it will overwrite the file, or it will replace the text with a new text. In case of append mode, it will open a file, and not only it will open a file, but it will add the file, add the text at end. And if the file does not exist, then it will create a new file if does not exist. So one main difference between append mode and write mode is that write mode overwrite the file. It replaces the text always and delete the previous text and add the new text. Whereas in case of append mode, the previous text is not deleted, only new text is added at the end. This is the way how does these modes work, and we will discuss each of these modes in upcoming lectures in detail. Thank you.